2, 3. Olympiade med herlige gyder, bragte os til grønne som er fuld af grønt.
Som basanerer og Sigurd smiler, alle vil vi digte nu, og det er skide skønt. 7 vidunder, som er sundere, taber vi, så taber vi, og vi var underere. 7 vidunder, som er sundere, taber vi, så taber vi, og vi var kønnere.
Nu har vi høstet, nu er vi fester. Vi skal spise dejlig mad med alle vores gæster. Så skal vi hygge og starte på dansen.
På det fine dansegulv, hvor
Kirsten holder sansen.
Træd nu dansen blot, vi skal danse godt. Og når vi har fået nok, så skal vi hjem i seng. Træd nu dansen blot, vi skal danse godt. Og når vi har fået nok, så skal vi hjem i seng. Holder her hæfter vi hejser, op og springer brik, min venner, syng så med igen. Festen fornøjet og folk fanger flæske, fejler fødselsdagen, flæsker fulde af dem os. Tak til solen flot, for den varme bånd, blomster, flor og regn på jorden med på vores bord. Tak til solen flot, for den varme bånd, blomster, flor og regn på jorden med på vores bord. We are team free for the harvesting party,
Throwing boots and building towers, winning all the games. Yay!
French friends are joining to increase the winnings. With the help with joining hands, we
Can sing along.
beat them by the hands, taking off our pants.
Tour de France, un Jacques Chirac, croissant comme ci, comme ça.
Beat them by the hands, taking off our pants.
Tour de France, un Jacques Chirac, croissant comme ci, comme ça.
Vanilla had tea,
And a Silla, he also with rubber boots and throwing them away. We know the trees and we know all the veggies. He's so easy, busy, and he has a lot of fun. Shu is from Ukraine, Lynn is from Marseille. Now we are together on this very special day. Party is starting,
that's exciting. Now we are together and we have a swing. This is the harvest tonight, the princess. People on the dance floor lift the kick out the door. Crystal clear waters and love with our borders, hanging with the havingest, our souls feel like home. Picking apple trees, sharing with the bees. Garden is a round and round, full of peace and peace. Picking apple trees, sharing with the trees. Garden is abundant and full of peace and peace. Love is the answer, whatever the question. Even if it's far away, you know it's always there. Don't be
discouraged when things don't go your way. There's a deeper reason just that no one work without. Yay!
So put down your phone,
It makes you moan. Community is what you need, so don't feel alone. Oh.
so put down your phone.
It just makes you moan. Community is what you need, so you don't feel alone.